Good day all. Today in this session we will see the practical number 12 and the second program, develop and execute C program to add two distances given in kilometer meter using structure. So I will show you program to convert distance from feet, inch, and you should write the program for kilometer and meter. So it is task to you. So before going to start this, we will first see what to do in this program. So here I have taken two distances in feet and inch. So first is 5 feet 4 inch and second is 8 feet and 8 inches. Now for this purpose we should declare two structures. One structure called as the distance, and we should declare two variables of this. In the first variable we will take first value, and in the second we will take the second distance. Now if you want to add these two numbers, so see here 8 plus 4, so it become 8 inches plus 4 inches, it become 12 inches, means nothing but the 1 feet. So the addition of these two sides is 8 inches plus 4 inches is 1 feet plus 8 feet, that is 9, plus 5 feet, it is a 14. So answer of this is 14 feet and 0 inches. Okay, so what will we do? First we should add the member feet with another member feet and inches member plus inches member. If the value of inches is greater than equal to 12, we should convert these inches into the feet, and after that we will add this. So now we will see the program for the same. So see here the program for the same problem statement. Here we have declared one structure, that is a structure distance, integer feet, and float inch. In your program you should declare distance as integer kilometer and float meter or integer meter. Now after that, here we have declared two variables, actually three variables, d1, d2 and result. So in the d1 we will take distance first from the user, and here we will take the input from the user for the distance 2, and after that by adding this d1 d2 we can get the result. Now in the main function, see here, first here the instruction for the user, enter first distance, enter feet. Then by using the first variable of the structure d1 we are taking the input, that is address of d1 dot feet. So first value is stored into the member feet. Second, for the enter inch, here address of d1 dot inch. So d1 is a variable and inch is a member of that structure. This is for the first distance. Same way for the second. Here is the change is only, instead of variable d1 we should use the variable d2. Okay, so d2 feet and d2 inch. By using this scanf, here we have taken the input from the user for the feet and inches. Now this is for the addition. So see here, result dot feet equal to d1 dot feet plus d2 dot feet. So first we should add the values of the feet, and after that we will add the value of the inches. So result dot inch equal to d1 dot inch plus d2 dot inch. Now see here, file result dot inch is greater than equal to 12, means what? If we add in both inches and the value will equal to or greater than 12, then we should convert these inches into the feet. So result inch equal to result inch minus 12, means what? Suppose the value is 12, then 12 minus 12, 0, inch becomes 0 and feet is increased by 1. Suppose if we add 2 inches, suppose inch is 8 and here is also 8. So 8 plus 8 is a 16. Now 16 minus 12 is a 4 inches. So feet is increased by 1 and inch remains 4. And after that here we are displaying the value of inch and foot. Now we will execute this program. See here. Enter first distance. Suppose I have entered 8 feet and 8 inch. And in the second distance, suppose I have entered 6 feet and 8 inch. So what will be the answer? Now first it will add 2 inches, that feet, that is a 8 plus 6. So 14. Now 8 plus 8 is a 16. Now that 16 becomes 1 feet. So 15 feet and 4 inch. The answer is 15 feet and 4 inch. Why? Because 6 feet plus 8 feet, it becomes 14. 8 plus 8 becomes 16. So that 16 inches has 1 feet and 4 inch. So it is also added into the first value. So 14 becomes 15 and remaining inches are the 4. This is the output of this program. Thank you.